to FS with Srikanth. Now we are going to discuss operators in C, and you don't. So here, what is an operator? First of all, what is an operator? Operator is a symbol. Operator is a symbol. What is that operator is a symbol? Symbol in the sense and person is there, plus is there, minus, into, division, right? Modulo division. The plenty symbols are there. These all are operators. Each and every operator is perform specific task, right? Plus in the sense it does only addition, minus it does only subtraction only it does, right or not? Based on left side value and right side value it will be performed. Everyone knows that. So here as per C, operators are two types. We consider as two types based on the operands, based on the variables. We consider two types. If in case one variable, suppose this A is there, A variable having only one operator, right? Suppose this side, then we call it as unary operator, minus A. So what is minus A? Just observe 5 and minus 5. There is no symbol in the sense indirectly there is a plus is there, right? The same way this is nothing but this operator is having only one operand, right? This operator is only having one operand. There is left side only having one value, right side nothing, right? So this type of scenarios we call it as unary operator. One operator is containing only one operand. One operator is performed with only one operand. Then we call it as that is a unary operator. Just observe operand in the sense variable. Operand in the sense variable. Operand. First unary operator is there. Then next one, if in case operator is performed with more than one operands. One operator is performed more than one operand. Just observe A plus B. A plus B in the sense there is a one symbol is there. There is a one symbol. There is a one operator. This operator is performed with two operands. This operator is performed two variables. Then we call it as this operator, we call it as binary operator. So here this is unary, and this one is binary. Unary operator and binary operator. So here C language, how many types operators is there? How to classify these operators? So one operator is performed with one variable, we call it as unary. Operator is performed with two operands, binary. One operator is performed with three operands, more than three, we call it as ternary operator. Totally three types of operators are there. So in C language, totally we have 8 types of operators are there. In C language we have totally 8 types of operators are there. The first one, arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, increment and decrement, conditional, bitwise operator, and special operator. As per academy, as per real time, anywhere these operators are mandatory. But now we are going more focus on theoretical. Then we focus on problematic, right? The first one, arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator in the sense it contains plus, minus, into, division, and this is modulo division. Generally we call it as percentile, but here we are calling modulo division. So how it performs? Just observe plus in the sense these all are unary operators. First of all, these all are unary operators. We consider right now we consider as unary. Plus and minus is indicating unary also, but we consider as binary operators. We consider as binary operator, right? Just observe there is arithmetic operators are perform the operation with arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operators are perform arithmetic operations, right? So here plus in the sense A value 10, we consider A value 10, B value 3. Then A plus B we are getting 13, A minus B 7, A by B we are getting 3 only. How? Generally 10 by 3 in the sense we getting 3.333. But here we are considering int A, this one, int A, int B. So obviously integer values are ignoring decimal values. So that's the reason we are getting 3. Next one, A modulo division B. A modulo division this B. So here A modulo division B in the sense A modulo division 10 percentile 3. it returns division, it returns a reminder. It returns reminder. What reminder? 10 by 3. 10 by 3. 3 3 is 9. What is the reminder? 1. So that is it gives. Suppose there is a 18 is there. 18 modulo division and I want to perform 5. 18 by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 3 ja 15. Reminder 3. Just observe 23 modulo division 5. What we are getting? 23 by 5. 5 1 ja 5 4 ja. Reminder is 3. We are getting 3. Right. The same way. Suppose there is 17 is there and you want you percentile and you are going to do like 3. What we are getting? 3 1 ja 3 5 ja 15. Reminder is 2. So obviously we are getting reminder only. If in case we are getting nothing, suppose 18 percentile 6. 6 1 ja 6 3 ja. What is we are getting? 0 we are getting. So that is it returns. Arithmetic operators are totally 5 plus minus into division and percentile. Percentile is different. It returns reminder value. Next one, relational operators. Relation operator in the sense it gives relation. What relation it provides? When we compared A is 1 there, B is there. Suppose less than in the sense A is small, B is big. This type of relation we get. Suppose equal, both are equal, right or not? This type of we are getting. This type of relation we are getting. Relational operators are used to compare two or more operands. Two or more operands we are comparing. So just observe, there is int A equal 10, B equal 3. When we are comparing A less than B, A value is 10, B value is 3. Just observe here this condition. What we are saying, A is smaller than B, but actually B is bigger, right or not? So this is a condition is false, right? Condition is false. So how it can reply? If the condition is false, it reply 0. If the condition is true, it reply 1. Means B less than A, suppose. Otherwise A greater than B. These two are right. Why? Because B value 3, A value 10. A value 10, B value 3. Less than, greater than. So in this scenario, both conditions are true. So we are getting 1. You mind it. So if the condition, if the expression is true, we will get 1 as a true. If in case condition is false, we will get result as a 0. You mind. So this is arithmetic operator totally. So not equal, equaled. So majorly in a real time we use this and this. Majority times we are using everywhere. Majority time. What is generally equal in the sense single equal, but here two equals. A equal to B means both are equal or not, it's saying. Suppose A equal to B means A is equal to B and B is equal to A. We are assigning. This is assigning operator. This is assigning. This is comparing. Both are different. You don't confuse. This equal and this equal, both are different. And generally we are calling not equal. How we are writing this one? This way we write not equal. But in a C language we write not equaled. Not equaled. Right. So this way we are getting. Next one, logical operators. Logical operators are perform logical operations. Logical operators are perform logical operations. Just observe. What is a logical operation? At the end, at the zeros level, it perform. Logical operators are performed at the zeros level. Just you observe, first of all, the logical operators are 3 types. Logical and, logical or, logical not. Logical operators are 3 types. And or not. Totally. So first of all, we want to think about this and. Logical and. What is and? Just observe. When these 2 conditions are true, it will be true. When the 2 expressions are true, beside left and right side both are true, then only true. Otherwise it's false. 1 1 equal 1. 2 conditions are true, it will be true. Suppose one condition is true, another condition is false, it will be false. Right? Both conditions are false, it will be false. When the 2 expressions are true, it will be true. Otherwise false. This is a logical and. When the both expressions should be true, otherwise false. Means Logical AND checks the condition. If the condition is true, it returns true. Otherwise, output will be false. Next one, logical OR. The logical OR completely different from this logical AND. Logical OR is completely different from logical AND. Means when the two expressions are false, it will be false. Otherwise true. Means when suppose there is a one expression is true, other expression is false. One expression is false, another expression is true. Both expressions are false, both expressions are true. Just observe, when these two are false, when the both expressions are false, then it will be false. Otherwise true. Any one should be true, it will be true. That is one scenario. Next one, logical NOT. Logical NOT is very quite different. If in case condition is true, it returns false. Expression true, it returns false. Expression false, it returns true. Right? If we are giving true value, it returns false. If we are giving false value, it returns true. It makes expression true, it makes expression false, depend upon the original expression. Right? So here, where we are using these logical operations, just I am explaining one of the simple example. Suppose we want to find one candidate is passed in all subjects or not. You know what one, with the help of one condition we can do that. So actually just you observe here one condition. The totally how many subjects? Totally having M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. Suppose just observe M5. So here M1, M2, M3. When he got all subject more than 40 marks, then only he passed, right or not? So then what we do? M1, tell me, greater than or equal 45, and same way M2 greater than or equal 45, M3 greater than or equal 45, M4. Means every subject he want to get more than 45. Then logical and what checks? Everywhere it checks. It checks first condition. Oh, he got more than 40 marks. And again he got more than 40 marks. Again he got more than 40 marks. Means 5 subjects he got more than 45 marks. Then only he's pass. That is logical AND. Logical AND checks all subjects. Right. Suppose when we are using logical OR, if in case he got the full marks in this 40 plus and remaining all subjects he got 0, then he is passed. Why? If in this 5 expression, any one expression is true, then it's true. But logical AND, when all expressions are true, then only it will be true. That is logical operator. Just you observe here one condition. 9 greater than, logical AND is there, 9 greater than 2. This condition is true or false? Yes, 9 is bigger than 2. Then it returns 1. 17 greater than 2. Its condition is true or not? True. Then 1 and 1. Both conditions are true. Then it reply true. And here I observe 9 greater than 2. 9 greater than 2. Again condition true. And again both this 17 equals 7. No, it is a false. But one condition is true. So again it returns true. And again you observe 28 is not equal to 29. Yes, 28, 29 both are not equal. 28 not equal 29. Right or not? We are giving. What we are giving? We are saying correct. Right we are saying. Means true actually it written. We are saying correct. So it returns false. We are giving proper symbol. So it returns false. This is a logical operator. Next one, assignment operator. The assignment operator is nothing but equal. Assignment operator is nothing but equal. With the help of this operator, we assign the value. Previously equal in the sense this one. Comparison. Here this is assign. Assign means A equal 10. 10 is assigned to A. A 10 is assigned to A. Right. With the help of this equal notation, with the help of this equal, we assign the value to the variable, right or not? So, but here in assignment operator, there are plenty different types are there. Plus equal, minus equal, into equal. That is expression is different. Just observe x plus equal y in the sense x equal, again repeat, x plus y. Immediately it present. So we write this way. X equal means x plus equal y. This expansion is this one, x equal x plus y. Then we get 13. Why? How we can getting x value 10? There is one. X value 10 we are giving. X value 10 and y value is 3. X value 10 and y value 3. We are getting 13. X minus equal y. We are getting 7. The same way we are getting. Same exact modular division also. But assignment operator in the sense assigning the value. Assignment operators are assigning the value. Next operator, increment and decrement operator. Increment and decrement operator. What is increment? Plus plus symbol. What is decrement? Minus minus symbol. Just to observe, increment operator, with the help of increment operator we increase the value 1. With the help of increment operator we increase the value by 1. Decrement operator we can decrease the value by 1. Both are same, but you consider increment operator increase the value, decrement operator decrease the value. But here one important thing is there. Here one important, post increment and post decrement and pre increment and post increment. That is the most important thing. So there are, decrement is just very simple, post and pre. First of all, plus plus a plus plus. Just observe, minus minus a minus minus. So here pre increment and post increment, pre post. So you know that postpaid and prepaid. What is mean by postpaid? First you use the mobile, then you pay, right? But prepaid, first you pay, then you can use. That is a different. First one, pre-increment. Pre-increment means suppose a value is 9. A value is 9. Then automatically a plus plus means automatically the output is 10. Suppose a value is 20 here. What is the value right now? A plus plus. Output is 20 only right now here. After printing the value, it is increased plus 1. It is increased to plus 1. Means right now a, after printing, a value is going to 21. You understood? So that is, a value is 10. I am doing a plus plus. Means what we are getting output? First it prints 10. Then it increase the value as 11 plus 1. Next again continuation. A plus plus. What is the value it prints? Right now a value is 11. Output is 11. Right. Then it prints 11 only. And again I am writing plus plus a. What is the value of right now? A value is plus 1. 12 here. 12. But already increase the 1. A value is 13. Don't confuse. Pre-increment. First it increase, then it prints. Pre-increment means first it increase, then prints. Post means first prints, then it increase. Even decrement operators also same. Decrement means minus minus a. A value is 10 suppose. Directly output is 9. Suppose minus minus a. What happens if a value is 10? Directly, what is the a value? Sorry. A minus minus. What is the value of output? First prints 10, then going to change 9. Just observe this one. A plus plus. What is mean by a plus plus? Post increment. X equal a plus plus. A value is 10 right now. Before print. After actually post increment. First it prints 10. After printing the value, a value is going to 11. Next, a plus plus a. Pre-increment means right now a value 10. Pre-increment, directly it increases to 11 before print. After print is also 11. Just observe. After print is also 11. The next one, a minus minus. Post to decrement. A minus minus. Post to decrement. A minus minus. Post. X value is 10. It prints 10 only. After printing 9. Minus minus a. Pre-decrement. Directly it decreases the value. You understood concept? Increment and decrement, increase the value, decrease the value by 1 only. Post increment, postpaid like postpaid. First use, then change. pre-increment. First change, then use. Post, first use, then change. Pre, first change, then use. That is a different, right? Thank you. Next, conditional operator. One of the most important operator, one of the most important in real time. Majority cases we are using, the majority situations we are using this conditional operators. The many times we are using these conditional operators. What is a conditional operators? They are question mark and colon. These. By using conditional operator, we can check the condition. By using conditional operator, we can check the condition. How we can check the condition? Just to observe. This is one of the expression. This is one of the expression and question mark. And next one, here the value 1 colon value 2. Just observe. What it does, first value is considered true actually, second value is false. If the expression is true, this is an expression or condition, if the expression is true, it will be print the first value, the true value. Is that true? If the expression is true, it prints. If the expression is false, then it prints second value. You understood? Just observe. A less than B question mark 10 colon 20. If in case this condition is true, it prints this one. If the condition is true, it prints this one. If this condition is false, is that true? If the condition is false, this one. That is only very simple. You understood? Right. So there is one program is there. Again I repeat the same one. If the expression is true, this is a expression. If the expression is true, it evaluate first expression. If expression is false, this condition is false, then it execute this expression too. You understood? Don't confuse. First it checks the condition. If the condition is true, it execute. If the condition is false, it executes second value. Just observe, this program is small change. Actually, I only did mistake. Why? Because some of the students just screenshot, they listen the value. So I want to confuse that persons, right? Just observe here. Main method, here I am taking two variables, a value 5 and b value 3, and one more variable is big value. So your condition is big equal, we don't know, big equal how much. What expression is there? What expression? That is a greater than 0, if this is expression a greater than 0, a colon b. What is a greater than 0? What is the value of a? A value is 5. 5 greater than 0. Condition true or not? True. Then it returns a value. What is the a here? What is the a? 5. Sir, okay. Sir, you said everything is good. But I can write like this. I can write like a greater than 0. Question mark. B colon a. Then a only prints, sir? No. Here, again I check the condition. What is the value of a? 5. 5 greater than 0, condition is true. Again it prints b only. What is the value of b? 3. It prints 3, not 5. That is why carefully you can. First expression 2, what you are giving, it doesn't consider this. Yes, Srikanth is making correct statement or not. It doesn't consider, right? So you only check the condition before executing. So first you can compare this condition. If the expression is true, just it prints first value. That's enough. First value before the colon. And if the expression false, then just it prints after colon. That is the conditional operator, ternary operator. One of the beautiful operators everywhere we are using. Not only C, in Java, in Python, not only Python, in a web development and in a database SQL side. The many areas we are using these conditional operators. Overall, these operators are most important, boys. Please don't neglect this each and every point. So here I am trying to, right now I am going very depth, basic level only I am going to cover. In the future, once we are finishing basics and some basic programs, I'll explain in depth in the sense, definitely you will understood these all basic concepts. So end to end, I already promised end to end. So what I'm explaining in depthly, in deep, I'll cover. Next one, bitwise operator. These are one of the most important, and these operations are bit level it performs. But right now I am only theoretically finish this one. Bitwise operators are most important, and most important question also. Academic side, these are one of the most important question, and it is very similar to logical operators definition wise. And here bitwise operators are performed manipulated at data bit level, not condition level. It performs bit level like a binary digit level, zeros and ones level it performs. First condition. What is a first bitwise and same? When the two conditions are true, 1 and 1. When the two conditions are true, it will be true. And otherwise false. And logical OR and bitwise are similar. What is the, when the two conditions are true, then it will be true, right? If the one condition is true, then only it's a true. So bitwise OR in the sense, when the two conditions are false, it will be false. Otherwise true. When the two conditions are false, it will be false. If one condition makes true, then automatically condition will be true, right? Bitwise XOR in the sense, when the two conditions are true or false, then output will be false. Just to observe, 1 cap 1, 0 cap 0 means false. Any one condition should be different. 1 cap 0, otherwise 0 cap 1. Definite. This way only it will be true, right? So you consider that. And left shift operator and right shift operator. And just very simple, with the help of left shift operator and right shift operator, we add the values, zeros, n variable counter value. What be based on the counter value, we add the 0 bits and one's complement. One's complement in the sense, it's quite different. Suppose we are giving 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, then complement operator can returns 0 1 1 1 1 1 0, right? So guys, actually this bitwise operator is very important. When we are going to cover the programming part, that time I'll cover in depthly. Why? Because each and every, it takes approximately 1 hour time. Actually it takes 1 hour time for bitwise and to one's complement. It's a bit level operations I want to explain. How it convert to bit level one to another. Suppose A and B we perform. So different types are there, and we will cover in further classes. Right now basic level only I'll cover, right? Next one is special operators. Special operator in the sense, some of the operators are special operator. There is a comma operator. Comma operator, what do it does? Separating the variable a minus b, a comma b means two variables are different, right? So that is the purpose of this. Size of operator is gives it returns the length of the specified variable length it returns, data type qualifier it returns, constant size it returns. And next one, dot, and this member function, selection operator, right? This dot is calling object, but actually in C language we are using pointer side, we are using, right? So we will cover at this end of the course we cover. Hey Srikanth, every time you say we cover further, we cover next class, what happened, what to do? Here one thing, if in case I'll cover these topics in depth right now, definitely you leave this C programming, it is very burden to you. First I am introducing C language. It's a beginner level, I am saying very beginner level. The later when I am starting a program explanation, that situation you will understood how we are explaining, how in depth we are going. Guys, you need a patience. So in a one video everything you learn, no. Someone says some videos or some areas, the people says I'll learn C language one day, and I will learn C language 20 hours, and I will learn C language 30 hours. As theoretically 30 hours you will be learn, no issue that. But if you want to practice, if you want to learn programming knowledge, logical thinking, you spend lot of hours you want to spend, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day.